Instagram is all about visuals, but sometimes hiding your content is the fastest way to get noticed. By turning your brand accounts private, you trigger massive curiosity. Today, I'm going to show you how to use JarveePro to automate your profile privacy at scale. First, select the Instagram accounts you want to manage. Next, configure your campaign setting to either public or private. For example, you can keep your main account public to attract cold traffic from hashtags and explore pages. But for your monetization or bridge accounts, switch them to private. This forces users who find you via dark social shares or reels to hit that follow button just to see your grid aesthetic. Now that the campaign is set up, just hit start. Instagram users are highly protective of their feeds, but they love exclusivity. Plus, it completely blindsides your competitors. They won't be able to scrape your follower list or spy on your high-converting content unless you approve them. Check the link in the description to turn viral views into loyal followers and build exclusive private domains instantly.